Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how we can enable the online archive for a on-premises mailbox in a hybrid exchange environment. Enabling cloud-based archive will create the archive mailbox in the cloud and the primary mailbox will be hosted in the on-premises exchange. So let's go to the server and get started. So right now we are on our exchange server, and if we go to the exchange admin center, we have this user Jack, and Jack has a mailbox on the on-premises, and I have synchronized all the users to Microsoft 365. You can see these are the active user I have, and Jack is also there, and I have assigned a license to him. And here you can confirm that it's a on-premises mailbox. We will create the archive on the exchange online. So in order to enable the archive, we can enable here, and instead of in place archive we will select the cloud based archive and we will click on OK. So the archive for the Jack user has been enabled for the cloud. So if we go to the properties and we will go to the mail features, and if I scroll it down and if we see the archive, you can see the status is pending, and on the status you can say cloud based archive, it's pending. So let me click on OK. And when you enable this archive, it may take some time. We can synchronize our AD. So I will run this command like start AD sync cycle so that it can be replicated. So once this is done, we can also check it with the exchange online, and this is the command I am running. Archive mailbox has been provisioned, but it may not appear instantly in the exchange admin center. Let me confirm that. We have this Jack user, and if I refresh it and go to the properties of Jack inside the mailbox feature, and if we look for the archive, you can see it's still pending. It may take some time, but also I have another user for whom I have already created that earlier, and it seems to be created. So this is the user, and if we see here, you can see cloud based archive created. You can see cloud based archive is enabled and it is created. So we will check for this user, and I have synchronized this user to the Office 365 as well. And if I sign in with this user, you can see in place archive for this user. So if I click on this, you can see accessing an archive mailbox hosted in Exchange Online via OA is no longer supported. So it's not supported via OA. What we have to do, we have to log into the Outlook app. There we will able to see that. So let me log into the domain computer by the same user, and let's open the Outlook Classic, and the version is 2021. So here we have the email address for the user, and it's configuring it, and by the time I will also assign a license to this user. I will assign an Office 365 license. Go to the manage license. I will select the location as India and enable the 365 E5 developer license. So the license has been assigned to the user. So you can see the license is assigned. Let's go back to the account. Here it's asking the password. Let me quickly put the password for the user, and let's maximize it. So the password has been inserted, and let's click on done. So the Outlook profile has been created for the user, and if we see here, it's now configuring it, and now you can see the online archive for the user has been appeared in the Microsoft Outlook app. You can see here deleted items, archive, and search folder. So now the mailbox of a user is inside the on-premises, but the archive mailbox is on the Exchange Online. So this way you can configure the online archive for a mailbox that lies inside the on-premises. I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.